So yeah, so today we're actually replacing the battery in the Legacy. What happened was I noticed I had to start jumping it, and you know, ever since I got it in 2014, it's had interstate batteries. I've had the 2 interstate batteries so far. So this third one, I want to do something different since I do have the air ride with the compressor. I wanted something a little, more, I guess, stout, you could say. So decided to go with the Optima 35 battery. About $200 from the local, AutoZone store with 3-year warranty. So can't beat that. So you got that. It did require some modification to fit. So it comes with the riser that we did put on, and then also, I had to buy another like a battery tie-down tray because the factory ones didn't really align well with this one. So I'm going to show the video how I modified the tray and got it to fit. And now it's perfect, and the car just shoots right up, starts up every time. So it's perfect. So let's get into that video. All right, first thing I'm doing, this is the tray that came in the Legacy. So I'm gonna cut and trim right here from where the tray ends. And then this should fit the battery perfectly for the new Optima Red. I'm gonna be using this power cutting tool, which always works, comes in handy all the time. That's what we're going to use. So she's all trimmed up, cut here, and now it's should fit perfectly to this tray. Shorter, but at least we know this is the exact size that we need to fit, so it's perfect. So now we should be able to get the battery in and tie it down and get her in. All right, and that was it. Hope you enjoyed that. That's Optima battery. So far, it's been running pretty good. No issues. It fires up pretty strong, and no complaints so far. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching.